Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did my faux locks, and these are crochet faux locks. So the locks that I used, these are natural dreads by a brand called Ebony. So it's one of those long loopless, like it's just one long strand. They're about, I think about 22 inches or 24 inches long, or about 22 inches long. So I used two packs. One pack came with 25 locks, so I have 50 locks. I used all of them. I did section my hair first and braid them to get 50 braids so that I don't run out of locks, and I didn't want them to be too much. So I feel like this is like the right amount of hair that I wanted on my hair, since we're going to summer. It's starting to get hot now. So I used only two packs, but if you want to do more, you can buy more. So yeah, if you want to see how I attach these locks, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. So as you guys can see, these locks are one of those loopless locks. They just one long strand. This is a 22-inch long strand with no loop. So I'm going to take one end of the lock and pull it out, just like how you would feather your braiding hair to do like twist or box braids. So this part of the lock is going to be the one that will be wrapping the lock. So by feathering it out, it will help you kind of like seal it so that you don't have to use fire or use any sort of like glue to conceal the end. So what I'm doing here, I'm feathering it out, and then I am going to use this end to wrap the lock. So first I'm attaching the hair using my latch hook. Some of you have been asking me where I get my latch hooks. I get my latch hooks from a cosmetic shops in Kempton Park CBD. It's called BB's. They don't have a website. If I find anywhere else where you can get them in South Africa, I will link them down below. But I buy mine from Babies, which is my local beauty supply store. That's where I get all my hair and stuff. So as you guys can see, I'm only pulling one end of the lock, and I'm not tying them with my hair. It's just like in between my hair. And after that, I'm taking the piece that is feathered, and I'm going to use this piece to wrap the hair. And if you have used faux locks before, you know that they are like they have like an opening, so it's like a wrap. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like it's wrapped to a point where you can like open it and put something in between. So what I'm doing is I am kind of like inserting the other part of the lock and my hair in between the feathered lock, if you understand. So you have to kind of like open it and then wrap. So you don't just wrap it like that. So that's what I'm doing, and then until the end.